Binahagi ni Mrs. Angelica Yulo ang naging convo nila ng anak nitong si Carl Yulo na kung saan sinabi umano niya sa kanyang anak na kung sakali man maghanap ito ng girlfriend ay sana piliin umano nito ang maayos na babae. Sinagot naman umano ito ni Carl nang hahanap umano siya ng katulad ni Mrs. Angelica Yulo. Sisiguraduhin daw ni Carl na hindi siya pipili ng hindi magugustuhan ng pamilya nila. Dahil sa naging sagot ni Carl ay ayon kay Mrs. Yulo na karamdaw daw ito ng kilig dahil hindi umano niya inaakala na super ina-idola siya ng kanyang anak. Dagdag pa ni Mrs. Yulo ano daw bang nagawa niya para magkaroon siya ng anak na katulad ni Carl. Sharing my conversation with my super duper nega over hyper kiddo Carl Yulo. Druha, pag nag-girlfriend ka, humanap ka ng maayos. Oo naman ma, hahanap ako yung katulad mo. Hindi ako pipili ng hindi nyo magugustuhan. Medyo kinilig ang nanay mo be. Hindi ko ina-expect na manggagaling sa'yo ang mga salitang to at di ko ina-expect na super mo ina-idolize nanay mo. What have I done to deserve someone like you? Lucky to have you as my son. You really are a gem. Hindi naman lingid sa ating kaalaman na tila hindi aprobado sa pamilya Yulo ang girlfriend ngayon ng kapatid ni Carl na si Carlos Yulo. Kaya naman may mga nagsabing huwag umano sana gumaya si Carl sa kanyang kuya. Samantala, ayon naman sa naging panayam kay Cynthia Carrion tungkol kay Carlos Yulo at sa tampuhan ng pamilya dahil kay Chloe, sinabi ni Cynthia Carrion na mabait umano si Chloe. Ang totoo nga daw ay nagplano si Chloe na magkaroon ng dinner ang pamilya nito at pamilya ni Carlos nang sa ganon makapag-ayos ang magkabilang kampo. Ngunit dahil daw sa press conference na ginawa ni Mrs. Angelica Yulo ay umatras daw si Chloe na naging dahilan ng pag-cancer nito ng family dinner. Inilarawan pa nga ni Miss Cynthia na mabuting tao umano si Chloe at very supportive kay Carlos Yulo. Sadyang nami-misinterpret lamang umano siya ng publiko.
Sa Tagalog po, kung tatanungin po ito, so boto po kayo kay Chloe para kay Carlos?
What do you mean?
So are you okay with the relationship? I mean, do you think that they are meant to be together or they're good together? Sa Tagalog po, it's boto po kayo sa kanya.
Kasi sweet na sweet siya. She's very nice. If you get to know her, mabait siya. In fact, she was willing na to give a dinner with the parents, her family and the family of
Carlos.
She was willing to. She was already planning a dinner together to have the families. But then that thing came out. All of those things, media coming out that they're talking, that discouraged her. So they quit it. They said, let's quit it for a while and let's be silent and let's see what happens in the end. You know?
She doesn't like any media attention, you mean, Ma'am Cynthia?
She doesn't want any media attention of the parents against Carlos and against her for saying things that are not right and not true. You know.
So you're saying like Chloe's been constantly reaching out to the family for Carlos's sake, Miss Cynthia?
Yes, she was planning it. She told me of her plan that she was going to have a dinner, and I was very happy to hear it. That's wonderful, Chloe. That's the way you should. You're really good. And then after that, what happened, Mom? After that, all this thing coming out, I canceled the dinner. She canceled it. You know.
Oh, okay. So okay pa ba yung dinner? Does the plan still there po? Having dinner with the family of Carlos?
No more
na.
I said she canceled it because of all the media coming out, no?
Baka lang baka she wants to pursue it. Hindi na Miss Cynthia. She canceled it na.
Well, you know, we'll see in the future.
Yeah, true.
That's why let's see everything calm down. People not make an issue out of it. It's still an issue. So let's not make this an issue. In fact, a lot of Carlos doesn't want interview when you're going to ask him personal questions like that. He said, Mom, I don't want, please don't put me in this interview because all they're gonna do is ask me personal questions and I do not want to answer.
Oh,
You know?
okay.
So I'm glad it's me. You can ask me. You can torture me.
And thank you for answering the questions, Ma'am Cynthia. Maraming salamat in Tagalog.
Yep. So please ask Dennis.
Po.
You are the first one that I talked to about it. So please just advise others just to let the issue die down and not make a big thing out of it. Because in the end, the more you talk about it, the worse the issue becomes. So let's just let it go by so that it will turn out to be the best. Best
Okay.
results.
Thank you very much.
Sa ngayon, hindi pa malinaw kung kailan magkakausap o magkikita si Carlos Yulo at ang pamilya nito. Marami namang netizens na umaasa na sana umano magkaayos pa si Carlos at ang pamilya. Lalong-lalo na ang ama nito na sinuportahan umano siya noong nag-uumpisa pa lamang ito sa gymnast. Dagdag pa ng ilan ay naiintindihan umano nila si Mrs. Yulo dahil bilang ina, nais lamang daw talaga nito na maisaayos ang buhay ng mga anak. Nagumpisa ang intriga noong nagpa-interview si Mrs. Yulo. Siya ang unang naglabas ng kanilang family problem. Ang mali ni Kaloy, sinabi niya ang kanyang side. Sama ng loob, through video din. Nadagdagan pa ito nang isinama niya si video si Chloe. Kung idea ito ni Kaloy, sana tumanggi siya kasi it's a family problem at girlfriend lang siya. Very obvious din na super love siya ni Kaloy. Kaya makikinig ito sa kanya. Iyon nga lang kung si Chloe mismo ang nasusunod, another problem ito. Sana magkapati na sila Mrs. Yulo at Kaloy. You're a family. Tandaan natin na wala tayo sa mundong ito kung di dahil sa magulang natin. Kaya mahalin natin sila. Ang pera madaling kitain at madali ring mawala. Pero ang magulang pag nawala, di natin makikita kailan pa man. For me, tama lang na wala doon family ni Carlos kasi they're on the midst of controversies. Maybe, just maybe, if si Carlos nag-request noon, he's just protecting his family also kasi pagpapiestahan sila ng press. Let's give him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe hopefully Carlos is planning to reconcile with his family privately. Netizens, wag na makisawsaw sa problema ng pamilya. It was Carlos' mother who started the fiasco and now they're making it appear that Carlos is the bad guy. He was quietly competing in the Olympics while his mother was busy maligning him in public. It was a family problem. Why was her dairy linen in public? She could have just quiet and resolved the issue at home, not on FB.